Hello, everybody. My name is Cadet Lieutenant Commander William Hurley, and I'm the battalion commander out at Mast. I hope you can hear me over the rain that's pouring right now on my roof. Today I'll be talking a little bit about the NJROTC program. NJROTC, Navy Junior Reserve Officer Training Corps, Citizenship and Leadership Development Program. It is completely funded by the United States Navy. All of our uniforms, textbooks come from the Navy. And in the program, you're going to be learning what it means to become a better person and become a more effective person, whether that's in leadership, citizenship, or even school, just getting your work done and learning how to organize your time better. Those NJROTC lessons that come from wearing a uniform translate to everything you do in life. Informed, responsible citizens, learning about what it means to have a role in your community, and those habits of organization come from each of the lessons you learn in our naval science classes. You learn more about the military's role on an international scale and how that protects our way of life here, how that supports our economy, things like that. You're going to understand the importance of our democracy and what it means in America and what your role is as a person in our country, and patriotism. What a massive thing we take very seriously here at Mast. Picture on the right is actually picture of the flag being raised to half staff on 9/11 in our 9/11 memorial observance from a few years ago. We do one of those events each year, but also if you're on the color guard team or something like that, you're honoring our colors every single day, whether that's flag detail, raising the colors up in the morning, things like that. Patriotism is a very important part of the NJROTC mission, and it's something that we take very seriously at Mast. So the NJROTC program is actually very big, 83,000 cadets worldwide. Yes, worldwide, not just the United States. There are some cadets out in Italy and Spain. I was actually fortunate enough this past summer to meet some of them and hear about their perspectives on the program. They're out on military bases out there. And then Area 4, our area Mast is in, is 64 units and 8,000 cadets. So it is a very big program, very sought after as well. So we're very lucky to have it at Mast with 200 schools that are currently awaiting approval. Naval Science 1, really basic introduction to the NJROTC program and the military. You'll learn what it means to become a follower before a leader, learn about the structure of the Navy, how ranks and rates work, things like that. Just a very basic introduction, and we'll give you that good framework to move forward in the battalion into your sophomore year. Sophomores will take Naval Science 2 and learn a little bit more about leadership lessons. You're going to learn about those lessons through naval history, something that's covered very comprehensively in this in this year. Learn about every single battle, all the way from ancient Greece to World War I, and how our Navy grew throughout its time from the Revolution all the way to where it is now. You're going to go through a United States Coast Guard boater safety course, which instructors from the Coast Guard Auxiliary will come to your class and teach about what it means to boat safely, and you'll get a completion certificate at the end of that. So the next summer you'll be able to go and drive around your jet ski. Naval Science 3, this is going to be junior year. This year is when cadets will have those more leadership roles in the battalion. You're going to learn more about how ships are constructed in the Navy, what goes into the leadership structure on a ship, what that's like, and how that can be translated to what we do out at Mast in each of our jobs. Sea power and national security, something that is learned through each year of naval science, and really you're just going to learn about how to do your job better at Mast and how to refine those leadership skills. This picture on the right is actually some of our cadets that went up to the Leadership Academy / SAIL training at Naval Station Newport, Rhode Island. It's a 2-week summer program, kind of like a boot camp, but you're with cadets from all around Area 4, and you're learning very tangible leadership lessons that can be brought back to Mast and implemented in your roles. I was lucky enough to go to the program between my sophomore and junior year, and I made some friends out there that I'm still in touch with today, and the lessons I learned there I implement in my daily routine every single day. So tremendous opportunity that we had. The door was luckily opened by Mast. Naval Science 4. So this is seniors at MAST, and when you've reached your highest leadership role, you're going to be a role model, really, in this, and that's your job senior year, is to get to have those younger cadets look up to you, and you teach them the lessons that you learned when you were at their age. It really all comes back full circle. But those leadership skills that you've learned all the way through freshman year, you can put into work senior year in whatever job you have. Picture on the left is actually one of our cadets graduating, getting a Navy ROTC scholarship, and that's something that some cadets will go on to do, but not all. Naval science classes do have to cover these certain topics. It's kind of like, state mandated things, but these are just some of the basic ideas, things like physical fitness, health education that everyone will go through each year. Some of the activities. Personally, my favorite, the drill team. It does have participation, parade, competitions. It might not sound like the most fun thing in the world, marching around in the pouring rain, but I encourage everyone that comes to MAST to at least try it out. You'll make so many good friends. I'm so close with everyone on the drill team. It really is kind of a family. And there's opportunities to grow from followership positions all the way through leadership. One day you might be, being commanded by your best friend, and the next day you might be commanding them. Gain confidence, and drill team is fantastic. And MAST happens to have a pretty good drill team. Last year we qualified for a Navy National Drill Competition in Pensacola, Florida. And this upcoming year, we're going to qualify again. Unfortunately, we didn't go last year because of the coronavirus, but this upcoming year, if things are good, we're going to go back. NJRTC activities, band and chorus. It's another one for those maybe a little bit more musically inclined. Learn some patriotic songs and practice weekly. This is another group that's really close. A lot of good friends are made at the band and chorus. And what another great way to get involved and play. Armed Forces Medley at pass and reviews, or information sessions. We'll be playing the Star Spangled Banner. Another really good way to get involved in the program. Academic team, something that we take very seriously at MAST and happen to be pretty good at, is academics. There's going to be competitions at postals and drill competitions. So if you maybe don't want to do drill, but you're really smart, we can use you, and that's something that's so helpful to our drill team. Orienteering. So this one is pretty unique, and we're really lucky to have that at MAST. Is you and your best friend might get dropped in the middle of the woods, and with a map and a compass, and have to find some checkpoints on your way out while racing against another school. Most of our cadets usually come back out of the woods, but we have lost a couple. No, it is a really, really fun program, and you can join at any time. We encourage everyone to give that a try. Athletics team, if you're good at push-ups and sit-ups, we can use you. Another thing that's really helpful for us at drill competitions if you're athletic. And then there's also some postals. You might be punting, passing, and kicking a football, and seeing how your scores line up against teams from all around the country. So athletics team is another really fun way to get involved. After high school, once again, we are not recruiting you to join the military by any means, even though some of our cadets do that. We have people go on to receive ROTC scholarships, any of the branches of service, and also attend the service academies. Picture on the right is Midshipman Riley Plosica, who is now at the Naval Academy and doing a really good job. People will go to the best schools around the country, though, best civilian schools as well. It really is just a tremendous stepping stone to achieve your goals. Here's some of more pictures of universities that some of our students are at, and some of the military, some of the people that have gone on to service academies or to join the military. Picture on the bottom right is Lieutenant Nate Labrizzi, who is now an Army Ranger. He went to West Point, and he graduated the top of his Ranger School class. So our graduates do go on to achieve amazing things. Something that we're really looking forward to out at MAST. Unfortunately, I won't be around for it, but you will if you come here. The Naval Science Buildings 23 and 56 will have an indoor drill hall, so we don't have to march around in the pouring snow. And also, the Naval Science classrooms will be in there with our supply building, and all our uniforms will be stored in there now. So it is an awesome opportunity you will be having if you come out here. Fortunately, I can't answer any questions right now virtually, but if you do have questions, we'll definitely get those through and make sure that they are answered. This concludes the presentation. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you for your time.